Right, I had to make this video before I got too overexcited and started building my bike. So, cylinder replating. In the UK, I've used the TuningWorks twice now. And the first time they blew me away with what they did. Because the cylinder I sent them, well, it was off that 93 there that I'd done like a million hours, and it was just the baggiest, knackered cylinder ever. And they returned it back better than new. I have a video of that, I'll add that later, but look at this. This KTM 150, 2012. And just, man, honestly, I can't thank these guys enough. They're just, I mean, they blew me away the first time, but this time, I mean, honestly, just not even a sharp edge insight in there. Everything's chamfered, everything's perfect. Checked blooming God knows how many times. I mean, these guys, ex-RAF, aircraft technicians, so who else would you want to send your bloody cylinders to? I mean, let's be honest. But the workmanship speaks for itself. Like, and for the price as well. I mean, the price is just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Amazing. I'll leave the link in the description, but if you've got any queries or anything, I suppose, contact them. They'll literally tell you what you need to know, but I mean, just look at this thing. Look at it. Just perfect in every way. Better than factory. Wow. Can't thank these guys enough. Honestly, brilliant service.